We visited a rubber plantation in North Kerala. A thin layer of bark along a spiral on the rubber tree trunk is removed. What is he doing?
He's cutting the tree trunk.
He's making a slit in the tree trunk?
Yeah.
What is this called, Arjun?
Rubber tapping.
What's falling out of the rubber tree? Liquid?
Liquid rubber.
Yeah. And it's getting collected here?
Yeah.
ഇതിൽ 2 liter water, 2 liter rubber pal, 2 liter ordinary water.
Okay.
Mix acid.
Acid? Okay. In this? Okay. Then?
Sheet ആയി. ഇത് ഡ്രൈ ആകുമ്പോൾ sheet ആയി.
This and squeezes all the water.
And then it becomes into a
Sheet. All the sheets will get for them one day.
For how long?
One day. The rubber sheets were coming for 7 days.
Where are they kept, Arjun?
In the room locked.
Locked in the room?
Yeah.
And they hung up there?
Yeah, they hung up there.
And what else is there in this room?
Heat.
ഇത് ഷീറ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഇത് ഒരു ദിവസം പുറത്തിട്ട് ഡ്രൈ ആക്കിയിട്ട് പിന്നെ 7 ദിവസം ഇതിനുള്ളിലിടണം. 7 ദിവസം ഇതിനുള്ളിൽ തീയിട്ട് പുകയ്ക്ക് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ സാധാരണ നമുക്ക് നോർമൽ ഷീറ്റ് ആവും.
And after 7 days, the rubber sheet which was white, it will become which color?
Black.
Okay, and it's ready?
Yeah, it's it.
Okay. These rubber sheets are then used for manufacturing automobile tires. The invention of air-filled rubber tires allowed wheels to be much faster, sturdier, and stronger, ultimately redefining transportation. It's so amazing, isn't it? So, whom does the credit go to? The selfless tree giving this wonderful raw material? Or the man who intelligently sources it and processes it with his efforts? Or God, the creator of both the tree and man?
Your body, it is also given by God. Your intelligence, it is given by God. The facility of work, it is given by God. Everything is given by God. Now, what do we work? Now, suppose I am writing books, all right, in which you are writing on paper, all right. Who has given you paper? Now you make philosophical study. Well, paper I purchase from the market. Market, how does it supply paper? It is manufacturing mills. Oh, it is manufacturing mills. Where they get the raw materials? Oh, from the wood. How the wood is produced? Oh, then you come to the God. You cannot produce the wood. You simply bring wood from the forest and get it to chemically purified and make a plaster and the paper is made. So no raw material you can manufacture. Raw material has to be taken from God's stock. Now, if the raw material is taken from God's stock, then how the paper becomes yours?